UIG jong BSF UH ulo ong bahalor ke jingja badang shen kaput kabede bu officer katanat veterinary ladapan Pynbeit apdiang ki arliang mamla. Ya kini ulah keren hadin ke jingelang balakhot do menteri kampo yeng ke jela ubadeiru usembut menteri rangba ke jela ba prestun tensong.
Can you tell us something about that incident?
That incident which has happened on the border, the issue has been resolved yesterday only, that also very amicably, and that was an unfortunate incident. The rest of the instructions will be given by the deputy CMs.
Any act
That has been alleged by that person, and we are inquiring into the issue, and given the background of the discipline of the force, given the morale and motivation of the force, given the other aspects of the force, sensitivity of the area, everything will be taken care of. See, like the things are under process, and already, as I have told you, that yesterday everything was sorted out with Dr. Boam and with the local NGOs, with the local headmen, with the local civilians, with the police force out there, with the SDO out there, and our company commanders. All were present at the Almaram place, and it has been sorted out amicably. And we assure you that in future and till now also, we have been working for the welfare of the people, and we will keep on working for the welfare of the people. Thank you.